Robotics.
That's right.
And according to your sign, Vex Robotics is a STEM education revolution. It says right there.
That's right.
Okay, so tell me, why is it a STEM education revolution?
We're revolutionizing STEM for the younger ages with our new Vex IQ platform that was launched late last year. It's a complete robotics system designed for young students. It's kind of third, fourth grade up to lower middle school. So we had the chance with our existing Vex Robotics system to learn from that. We have a complete new construction system, snap together, toolless, so real easy for kids to learn and do that. It's all on a 3D grid, so when you come back around everything, you build, everything kind of comes back together, it snaps together, very frustration free. Also,
so are the instructions, the instructions are how to make it already, or do they have any kind of like play that they can change things around?
Oh, there's lots of play and ability for creativity. There's basic instructions on the Clawbot, which you see here.
Okay.
It kind of gets you used to how the motors and how everything works together.
This is the Clawbot?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Clawbot. Okay.
Yes. So it's a good base.
So Parker here is trying to show us how the Clawbot works.
Yes.
Come on, Parker. You got to do better than that. Come on now.
So the Clawbot is a great base to learn off of. It does basic functions right out of the box with the controller, and you're able to add sensors and change the base up and kind of learn lessons and go from there.
Okay, so we can program it?
Yep, programmable via a program called ModKit for Vex, which is based on Scratch, so very easy for beginners. There's also Robot C from Carnegie Mellon, which is more of a straight C-based interface.
Okay, so now that works with PC, Mac,
yep.
online. What is
ModKit works is there's an online version which works across, and our downloadable version is going to be across Mac, PC, and Linux. Robot C is Windows only right now, but never know in the future.
Okay, dude, we need to see an iPad version.
Yes,
hey,
iPad.
Come on now, let's go.
iPad,
Parker, you working on the iPad version? Come on, man. Do it tonight in the hotel room. All right. Okay, so tell me what we're doing. Okay, so we got a controller here. Is that a proprietary controller? We can only use that kind of controller with devices?
Yes, there is. It's proprietary right now. There's going to be some APIs and other things available for people that want to dive in and hack and do a little bit more with their computers and things like that. It's closed right now just as we get into the classroom and make things easy for teachers and students. There's autonomous only if you want to do that with the programming, or there's combo mode, driver.
Hey, Parker, let's move it around here. I'm filming it and you're just like sitting there. Parker's just sitting there. I'm kind of worried about him.
I know. It's been a long day for him, so he's got to.
I understand.
Yep. But we have a full suite of sensors available. All the motors have built-in encoders.
So what kind of sensors we got?
We got encoders built into the motors, also current sensing. We have a color sensor, distance sensor, gyroscope, and then there's a touch LED which reacts to touch and does different things. So.
Okay, so why is this important? Why do I want to know about this?
Why do I know about sensors or Vex IQ in general?
Vex IQ and STEM and robotics. If I'm a third grader, why do I need the robotics?
Robotics is just kids like robotics. You can build it right out of the box, drive it, they get that sense of accomplishment, and then you're able to get them to learn more. Learn about the gear ratios, mechanical advantage, the programming side with sensors. So the robotics the whole just gets kids excited, and they can really learn the full suite of STEM and take it from there.
Now, when you say kids, now here's something I've noticed being an old guy. Okay, when we talk about robotics, we talk a lot about boys.
No, it should be boys and girls.
Okay.
We have a lot of in the Vex Robotics competition, and there's also an IQ challenge that goes along with this. It's extracurricular. It's both. We see boys and girls. Some girls we've seen girls in our pilot clubs. They wanted to do their own thing and get in a group and do it together. So we definitely see the importance of getting both sides, girls and boys, involved.
So you have some kind of competition?
Yes, there's right here we're playing on is the IQ challenge field setup for this year. The game is added up. So you're grabbing these buckyballs of different sizes and rings. Parker's scoring in the logo there, but he could add on a larger arm to get up into the high goal.
He's not that good. That's what it is.
No,
he's not that good.
He needs more practice.
Yeah, he does.
Yeah. So you score in the high goal for more points, or at the end of the match, if you hung off that hanging bar, you get even more points. So you could do all those add-on functionalities to the basic Clawbot.
Okay, so what cost are we talking about? What are we talking about?
Starter kits start at $249, and then there's a super kit, which is kind of everything that we have, is a $299 kit.
$299? Okay.
Yep.
And if somebody's interested in Vex Robotics, who do we get a hold of, and how do we find out more?
Go online, vex.com is where we're at. There's Vex IQ and the existing products as well. So.
All right, Ricky, thanks for talking to us.
Perfect.
And Parker, you did a good job.